So this institute is far more than bricks and mortar. It's a symbol of what happens when passionate people come together with a shared vision.
I tell you, when we get Horry-Georgetown Technical College graduates to Conway Medical Center, they are well educated, they are well trained, and they are ready to take care of our community.
It is just such an honor to be here today. Dr. Four is not only an amazing leader here, but she is a dear friend.
Every time I talk with people from Horry-Georgetown Tech, they come to me with a plan. And what Murph has done is surrounded herself with phenomenal people.
Based on what you learn here, you will save people's lives. Because of what you learn here, you will ease suffering. And because of what you learn here, you will give hope to families and friends.
You're going to be with people from the maternity ward to hospice, and I know that's going to be a tough thing. You might be in oncology, you might be in radiology, but wherever you go, you're helping people. And you're seeing people, as Val mentioned, at the best time of their lives and sometimes at the worst time of their lives.
To our students, many of which you will see here today, this space is yours, a place to learn, a place to grow, and become the compassionate, skilled professionals that our world so deeply needs.